Hi, this is Aaron Burgoyne from Spotlight Accounting. This video I'm going to show you how to receive payment for products and services that you've provided and then you've already sent an invoice out. So come up here to the plus icon and go to receive payment, and then type in the customer who paid you. In this case it's going to be Spotlight Accounting. Click the date that they gave you the payment and the payment method. So it could be a credit card, it could be cash, it could be a check. A lot of people still use checks. A lot of businesses, I should say, still use checks these days. So we'll do check, and we'll say it was check number 12334. And that's important to put in. Bookkeeping, it's important to have good records so that you can match things up when you're looking at a bank statement, comparing it with your books. You want things to be able to follow them easily, so it's important to put the reference number there, although you technically could do it without it. I would do it. And then for the deposit to drop down, I recommend to put it in undeposited funds. Undeposited funds is an asset account where, let's say that you receive payments throughout the week, but you actually only go to the bank once a week. You can put the payments in the undeposited funds account, and it's like it's the stack of checks that you have that's in your drawer, so that this will mark in QuickBooks that you have received the payment. They don't owe you it anymore, but it hasn't made it to your bank yet. So that's the purpose of the undeposited funds account, and I recommend you use it. Down here below, it shows the invoices that are the open invoices that you have with this customer. So click the appropriate invoice that they paid on. Make sure the amount received is correct and that you're applying the right amount. They may have, for example, if there was two invoices, one for $350 and one for $100, they could have given you a check for $450. And so the amount received would say $450, and then one of them would be $350 and the other one would be $100. So they can pay once against multiple invoices. Or you can, maybe they only paid part of it now and they'll pay part of it later. You could do $100 on amount received, and this automatically updated to show that they paid $100 toward that $350. Let's say that they give us the full amount, $350. And then click Save and New if you're going to do another receive payment at the same time, or you can do Save and Close. So it's just that easy. That's how you record the payment. So if you go to your sales and your customers, and then let's type in Spotlight Accounting. On their account here, it will show that why does it say 250? That's interesting. Oh, I never updated the payment down here. So that's 350. There we go. So this is the payment, 350. There we go, Save and Close. Okay, this looks better. So it shows the invoice that you had created previously, that they owed you 350. Now it shows paid, where before it showed that it was due or overdue. Now it shows that this was closed. There's a zero balance because they paid 350 on this date with this check. And this account screen shows that it can continually show which invoices are open, which ones still need to be received, and so forth. Let's say, I'm just going to delete this real quick. Another way that you can receive the payment, instead of going up here to the plus icon and clicking Receive Payment, instead of going up there, you can come to this screen first and then click Receive Payment. If you know, oh, I want to get I want to show a payment for this specific invoice, you can just click Receive Payment there. It already checks the invoice that you wanted. You just have to put in the payment method and then save and close, and it's the same way as before. Anyway, I hope this is helpful for you. Please like and subscribe on YouTube, and share with the bookkeepers that you think could use this.